Hey, good day everyone. I just pulled everything out of the box. Now I'm going to go ahead and put all these pieces together, plus a parts bag and directions. Got piece number 1 right here. All right, here we have piece number 2. We're going to put 6 of these A1 pieces in. All right, that was piece number 2. Piece number 3. All right, that was piece number 3. Piece number 6. All right, got piece number 2 and piece number 6. Piece number 2, these got to go in here. So piece number 6 is going to lay flat right on there. And piece number 6 will slide right onto piece number 2. That arrow on there is going to face the fastener. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with piece number 8 here as well. Okay, now piece 13 is just going to slide right on here, and then we'll put the fasteners in here too. Okay, we're now going to go ahead and take piece 7, which is right here, this flat piece, and just slide it right into this groove here. This is piece 3. Okay, now I flipped the thing on its top, and now we're going to go ahead and put in piece number 4. It's piece number 5, it just slid right in the back there. Now we're going to take piece number 1 and put it right on top here. And we're putting the wood dowels in there. Now we'll go ahead and put 6 of these on, and they just go right up here, right in these holes there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put these side pieces on now. See these 4 holes right there? We're going to line up with those 4 holes right there. Okay, we'll now put that as braces on. We're going to use A5 and A6 right here. Now we'll take this short one right here and go right in the middle with it. This is where those magnets are going to attach to, so you know this will be the inside, so the handle is going to go on the outside. So we'll just run these right down through here to the handle. Now we'll go ahead and put these on right here. Same with this one. Now these are for the doors to pivot on. It's kind of like their hinge, so we're going to put this in the very bottom here, and then one on the top as well. And same thing for the top here. And do the same for the other door as well. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and put the doors on. So this is just going to go right in there. Bottom. Just pop that top in. There we go. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and put our shelves in. Okay, now for putting the shelves up, you just put these things right in these holes there, right in the center partition and on the sides. Just pop right in there. So you got settings here, here, and here. Same thing over here. Overall, really happy with this thing. It was really easy to put together, and then lightweight to move around and sturdy as well. Thanks for watching, everybody.